I was talking earlier this morning about how we were starting to edge into drought into western Kentucky and really drying out. Well, this has certainly turned that around, at least in the short run. We've still got light rain falling, but the severe threat continues across eastern counties. Hail, damaging wind now stretching from just west of Maysville down through Owingsville. As you get south of Mount Sterling around Jeffersonville, torrential rainfall. This would where you'd be likely to see some potential wind gusts up to, if not over 60 miles per hour. And look at all of the severe thunderstorm warnings that are out. Pretty much if you're along this line, consider yourself warned that you've got that potential for damaging wind. And that really has been the primary threat. That's what I've seen the most of as far as storm reports. Trees down primarily. But this entire line is pushing into eastern Kentucky. There's also a secondary batch down south, and you start getting into these broad warning polygons here where they just bump a county out because they know the storm's going to maintain its intensity and eventually get to you. So from London down through McQuarrie County, there's a severe thunderstorm warning in effect as well. This cluster of storms around Somerset tracking off to the east as well, and could create some damaging wind gusts. Now on the back end, we've still got lingering lightning and rain, but the leading edge right here is where that severe potential is. And storm reports, well, they're becoming more numerous. You have a cluster of wind damage reports as you get down south around Casey County, Russell County, from Frankfort, eastern Franklin County down through Lawrenceburg, and the majority of these are trees down. We've had rainfall, just torrential. Look at Frankfort. Now, this is not radar estimated. That's the gauge, almost an inch of rain. And radar estimates in those bands were anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. The other update that we've got, the severe threat has been amended. Marginal to slight, now an enhanced risk for severe storms eastern counties. That means you are likely to see storms that will produce damaging wind gusts. We're going to continue to track this into the afternoon into our eastern counties as it heads east. Then that goes all the way to the coast. So these storms are going to pick up speed and run east toward the Carolinas and as well toward the mid-Atlantic and continue to cause problems as we go through the afternoon. It is 72 degrees. We've cooled down considerably. The dew point still in the 60s and 70s, but consider that heat wave nixed. It is over until further notice, meaning next week we still got that heat on the way. And we talked briefly about this. We set one record high earlier this week with all that heat. We only had one record high in Lexington. We had 4 mornings in a row with record warm lows that just did not cool down. We're less muggy. We are cooler into the weekend. That is your moment of reprieve there. 2 days before the temperature takes off like a rocket again next week. Your cold front drops south. The showers and storms diminish. By later on this evening, we should be done with this. Late afternoon, I think a lot of them will be moving out of eastern Kentucky. And then we're in the clear pretty much the rest of the weekend. High pressure is ridging in. There isn't a whole lot to show you, which is good. But the problem is we've got that big upper high building in. That's going to clamp down and start to put us back into a situation where we are just baking. Now, it may not be quite as muggy as this last go around, but it could end up hotter. So the shower and storm threat pushing into eastern Kentucky. You notice it rapidly dropping off. This is specifically for Lexington. So by later this afternoon, we should start to dry out. But those storms will linger late afternoon and then exit this evening out east. The rest of the weekend into next week, we are high and dry. There were hints that there may be some storm chances trying to come our way. But right now, that heat, I think, may overwhelm it. We could very well make a run to match what we did this week and maybe even go a little more, upper 90s near triple-digit highs.